We are now going to deal with the more command. We are not going to try a lot of switches on this command. We can say more file.txt and press enter. The difference between this more and less is that the less command clears the content from the viewer, but this more, the content persists in the viewer or your terminal. When you scroll to the bottom, this one by default, when you reach the bottom, it will not show you that this is the end of a file, but it will just come out of the file. But the ls command, except using the -X switch, which was not clearing the content, the rest of the switches we have tried were clearing the content from the screen. That is the main difference between these two commands. For the more command, we are going to try switches such as -D. The -D displays a user-friendly navigation. More -D and file.txt and press enter. It gives us some instructions of what we can do. It tells us that when we press the space bar, we continue. When we press it, we can see that we continue. When we press Q, we quit. And we press Q, and as we press Q, we quit. But once we quit, the more command where we've ended is where it also ends printing the file, but does not clear the screen. And that is what the -D does. Another switch we are going to try is the -P. This -P clears the screen before displaying the next page of text instead of scrolling. When we say more -P and file.txt and press enter, then we press enter. This -P clears the screen before displaying the next page. This is what it simply does. When we say more -p and file.txt and we press enter, look at this. This is nearly our page we are having at the moment. It's our page. When we say space, you see it has cleared the whole page and gave us a new page. This is what -P does. It clears the current page as it displays the next page. When we again press, we are now at 18%. When we press the space bar, we are now at 32%, but the first content is cleared, but the content of the last page is cleared, and we have content of this page. And this is what -P does. We press Q to quit out of that. Another switch we can try for this more command is the -U, but I'm going to give this to you as an assignment that you try it out, and after trying it out, you please comment with whatever result you got in your terminal. Disclaimer: the purpose of me creating this content is to help a student in cybersecurity. I'm not helping a hack, but I'm rather helping a student, and everything here is to help you understand what cybersecurity is, but not turning you into a malicious person. I thank you for being attentive, and I'm waiting for your comments as you like and share this channel until we catch up in the next video. Thank you.